The pursuit of theology normally includes some relatively practical topics like missions, evangelism, apologetics or defending the faith, worship, mercy ministries, pastoral counseling, and homiletics or preaching. It also includes a vast array of more theoretical or abstract subjects like soteriology, the doctrine of salvation, ecclesiology, the doctrine of the church, anthropology, the doctrine of humanity, pneumatology, the doctrine of the Holy Spirit, Christology, the doctrine of Christ, theology proper, the doctrine of God, eschatology, the doctrine of end times, biblical theology, theology of redemptive history recorded in the Bible, systematic theology, the logical arrangement of biblical teaching, historical theology, tracing the development of doctrines in the history of the Church, and hermeneutics, or interpretation. Now, for the most part, traditional academic theology has focused on these topics primarily from the vantage point of orthodoxy, or the right way of thinking about these matters. A typical seminary class on any of these subjects will concentrate on getting the concepts straight, making sure that everyone is thinking properly. Occasionally, some seminary classes will concentrate on learning skills. Classes that focus on worship, evangelism, counseling, and homiletics, preaching, normally have a significant concern for skills or orthopraxis. Unfortunately, it's not common for seminary classes to concentrate on orthopathos, or the emotional dimensions of theology, even in a homiletics class. Yet as we've learned in this lesson, a more adequate approach to the topics of theology requires deepening our concern in all three directions. So we can see that the task before a student of theology is colossal. With every topic of theology, there are countless directions to pursue.